Hello, this is Nick from Dripper Labs with the first reason that you should join the Dripper Labs community today. If you click on Start Creating, there are all kinds of things you can try on the website for free without placing an order. If you click on Create an Account, you can fill in this short form and we will send you a verification code, and within 1 or 2 minutes you will be able to access your very own online recipe book. When you're starting your creator journey, you can either create recipes from scratch or use one of our 12 house flavours as a template to see what real flavours look like and how to build your own. You can personalise them with the 54 ingredients that are available on the website, set the levels exactly to your taste and create flavour profiles with breadth and depth that match your exact vaping preferences. When you are ready, if you want to, you can add to basket at any time and configure your bottle either for MTL or DTL and try Dripper Labs for as little as one 30ml bottle. But before you do that, we suggest you check out video number 2 and learn a bit more about the house flavours.